So y'all know that moment when you like have so much to do and you just don't know what to do, when to do it, and how to do it? Yeah, that's me right now.
Down the road, watch me as I go, watch me as I go.
It's literally 3 days before Christmas and I need to get the house together. That way we have everything in place for the Christmas party. I need to sweep, mop, get everything cleaned up, get a console table put together. That way the house is completely ready for Christmas and I don't have anything to worry about once Christmas rolls around. So I figured the best way to hold myself accountable is to start filming a video, and that is why y'all are getting this video. And honestly, I'm so excited. We did invite people over for Christmas last year, but we did not do a full-blown Christmas party. So I want to make sure everything is as clean and in order as possible. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell next to my name so you don't miss anytime I post a video. I think what I want to go ahead and do first is get the console table put together. It's currently sitting over here off to the side, and honestly I'm tired of looking at it and it's only been here 2 days. So I want to go ahead and get that put together first. Once that's put together, we'll go ahead and sweep, mop, and do all of the above. So we're gonna get everything done in 1 or 2 days. I already cleaned 2 of the bathrooms yesterday, but I do need to go back into 1 of the bathrooms and sweep and mop just to kind of finish that up. Aside from that, we have to get everything swept, mopped, clean, put in order, put this console table together, and then we'll be good to go. That way from there, all we have to focus on is the party itself, getting the food made, getting the desserts made, and entertaining our guests, because that's literally what you do when you're hosting a Christmas party. So this is the console table we have to put together. As y'all can see, we currently just have a desk kind of sitting right here for whatever reason. I don't know, we just kind of put it there. But yes, this is the console table that's gonna go in place of the desk, and that desk is gonna go straight in the trash. Honestly, this box was super freaking heavy. I think it was like 132 pounds or something like that. This package was literally kicking the delivery boy's ass. I'm not even gonna lie, like y'all, the box fell. It like kind of pushed him back a little bit, and at that point in time I noticed how heavy it was, and I'm like, yeah, I gotta get this in the house. So luckily he kind of carried it in the door a little bit, and we brought it in and just kind of like set it here, and then my significant other kind of set it up against the desk. But we're about to get into putting that together. That way we can get rid of this desk and everything can kind of look a little more put together. And honestly, I'm so excited about how it's gonna look. I did get it in a charcoal gray color, so I'm hoping that's like really close to black, or at least not as gray, just more so black. We're gonna see once we unbox it, get everything open. Shout out to Wayfair for getting this sent over. Let's get into putting together this console table. Okay, y'all, so we got the whole thing built. I just need to go back and adjust the doors, but honestly, I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow just because it's like very, very minor. I think it turned out really nice, and this is how it's looking. But if you see this little like space between the door here and no space between these doors, that's what I mean when I say I need to go back and adjust the cabinet doors. But all in all, this is how it turned out, and honestly, I really love it. It's very subtle, very calm, and honestly, I think once we get the decor and everything put on it, get everything like stored inside of it, it's gonna look really, really nice and serve the exact purpose that I got it for. Honestly, I'm really looking forward to that. However, your girl is currently tired, and I do have to work in the morning. Tomorrow is my last day of the week before Christmas, so I'm honestly about to go get in the bed, and then we'll finish up this like reset, getting ready for the Christmas party tomorrow, where I go ahead and get everything cleaned up, because this Baby, this took a lot more energy out of me than I thought it was. And I'm usually like very, very good at building things, but the instructions were just a little bit off. So it took me a lot longer than I expected. All in all, I love how it turned out. Everything looks really, really good. I'm about to go grab me something to eat and get in the bed, and then I will see y'all tomorrow. It's currently the next day and it's midnight. Honestly, it's almost 1 a.m. It's 12:52 and I'm finally about to go ahead and get the rest of the house cleaned up and in order. I've already cleaned this bathroom as well as the guest bathroom. So the only thing that's left to do in here is to sweep and mop, and then we can go ahead and get the rest of the house cleaned, swept, mop in order, and then get the bathroom upstairs cleaned too. And I'm gonna be so honest with y'all. I did not feel like doing anything. I've been sitting in the bed for at least a good 2 hours watching Rain on Amazon Prime, and I'm literally so hooked to it. And I did not want to get up and clean for the life of me. And to be honest, the house isn't dirty at all, but having wood floors, you have to make sure you're consistently mopping because wood floors get dirty so quick. So I wanted to make sure I got this done tonight. That way tomorrow, which is Christmas Eve, I don't have to worry about any of that. Everything's already clean, mopped. So when it's time for the Christmas party, no cleaning needs to be done. Everything's together. And honestly, I just felt like that is what was going to make things the most peaceful tomorrow, as well as on Christmas. So if I didn't get this done tonight, I wasn't gonna feel like doing it tomorrow. So I literally had to talk myself into getting this done. But staying consistent, getting my videos out, getting everything filmed, taking care of life, working, my businesses, just so much going on. And I'm so happy the holiday season is here to get to be around family and just enjoy the small things. Yeah, the least I could do is go ahead and get the house cleaned up and enjoy my next 4 days off of work as much as I possibly can. And if you work a 9 to 5 as well as create content, you know exactly what I mean. Anytime you get time off from your 9 to 5, it literally feels like a miracle. And y'all, I just realized that I have not showed y'all yet, but I did get a new phone finally. If you've been following me for the longest, you know I have had the iPhone 11 Pro Max since 2020. So almost 6 years I had it, because I'm not the type of person that feels like I need to upgrade my phone every year, every 2 years, or every 3 years. So I literally upgrade just when I feel the need to. Like before I had the 11 Pro Max, I had the 7 Plus. So I'm the type of person that keeps my phone for years at a time before I will actually upgrade. And I finally took the plunge and got the iPhone 17 Pro Max in this beautiful freaking orange color. Once I saw that they had an orange color, I had to get it. And honestly, I've been loving everything about it. It just makes my heart so happy to finally have a new phone. And y'all, if you've been seeing the videos on the camera quality is literally everything. Like I love it. The zoom, the clarity, the front camera. Let me show y'all. I don't know how much y'all are gonna be able to see it on here, but yes, literally been loving everything about the phone. And honestly, I think it was very much so well worth the upgrade. My case is supposed to come in like 2 days, 3 days, something like that. And I cannot wait to get a case on it. My screen protector is upstairs. We definitely need to get that in order, but let's go ahead and get the house cleaned. thought I was gonna get the rest of this done tonight, but honestly, I just want to go to bed. And so we got the rest of downstairs pretty much finished, and I just need to clean the bathroom upstairs and then mop the living room and like the entryway and stuff, which I'm gonna do tomorrow because I'm ready to go to bed. What time is it? Yeah, it's 1:33. Look at this. I'm not lying. Literally 1:34. I got the kitchen mopped and stuff like that, and all the bathrooms are done except one upstairs. Then I just need to like sweep and mop the living room, the entryway, and then clean the bathroom upstairs. But other than that, we got everything else done, and I'm about to go to bed. bed because I'm tired and I work today, so I have a reason to be tired. I've literally been up all freaking day. So yeah, I love y'all. Good night, and I will see you tomorrow. It's officially the next day. I'm about to get ready to finish cleaning up the house for our Christmas party tomorrow. All I have left is to sweep and mop the living room and then go clean the upstairs bathroom, but we'll be all done after that. And then we can go ahead and close out this vlog to get started on the next one, which is going to be the entire Christmas party, getting ready for it, all of the above. And as y'all can see, half of the Christmas tree is out back there, but we do need to get that fixed, and I'll probably do that once I get done cleaning up and like switch out some bulbs or something. All in all, the house is pretty much clean. It's not really dirty. I just been wanting to like get the floors clean and all of that, and I'm happy that I was able to get everything done. It took a little bit longer than I expected because I was actually really tired last night, so I just went to sleep. I couldn't do it, but yeah, let's go.